Yeah, cause tonight, all right, natural, natural guys. See there, all of that natural stuff. You don't know it already. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright. So you guys can see in the water we got some fresh rosemary and some ginger. We're gonna use the turmeric tonight again. And we got some lime and we got some lemon. Alright, you need to watch the video to the end. I'm gonna put a little bit of a baking soda into the water. Alright. Yeah. So I kind of change my baking soda now. I'm gonna be using malt vinegar. Alright. Inside of it, put a little bit of vinegar. Inside of it. With those two ingredients. People, I'm gonna tell you, you have to make sure you wash off these things good, guys. Alright, let's turn on the cooker. And yeah, make sure these things wash off really good. Yeah, like that. You get me? Just like that. And just like that. See? Make sure everything is clean. Yeah. That's it right there. We got it right here. Alright. We got it right in the kitchen. Yeah. Alright, people, you don't know the thing go. Medium sized pot. And then you have the hot water. Little bit more. A bit more, Chef Ricardo, you don't know. Here it is, cloves. Alright, put a few in the water. Yeah, every night we use this. Pimento seed is a must. Few grain into the water. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna put some bay leaf in the water. Yeah, that's the bay leaf. See it there? Lemon. Put the seed, everything in it. See there? All the seeds, they put them inside of it like that. Lemon with the skin. Fresh ginger. Put some more fresh ginger in it. know what is that, guys? Turmeric. All right. Never do this. Okay. You can do this. All right. Go this way, guys. This not do you nothing. Okay. But don't do this at home. That's only from Chef Ricardo alone. If you're a professional. Your favorite, rosemary. See that fresh rosemary, guys. So when you're doing rosemary and it's sticky by your finger, that means it is good. Really good one, all right? Yeah, a good vibes. This right here is some peppercorn. Rough about 4 of them inside of it, like that. All right. This is how it look. Natural remedy, guys. Yeah. If you're allergic to any of these ingredients, do not use it, guys. Yeah, man. Turn off the cooker. Here it is. If you're allergic to any of it, all right. Yeah. Don't use it, okay? Just make sure you don't use it at all. See there? A good one. So let that cook for a few minutes.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Island flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight.